Hey guys, good morning. Mitzan from MSDI Implants here. Today I want to talk about how do we customize a package for our customers, whether it's a new customer or a current customer. What we want to do, we want to ask him some profiling questions. I discussed it in the past. We want to ask about what kind of brand he uses, price range, volume, challenges he's currently having, and so on. Then what we want to do, we want to set certain products that we want to sell. Usually it's not about the implants or the abutments, it's about other products we have in stock and we want to sell more of them. One example for that is surgical kit. In our company, okay, I don't know how it is in other companies, but in our company, the surgical kits are more of a service rather than a product to get more profit for him. Okay, it's not about the margin, it's about selling the implant. So when we have a lot of kits in inventory, they just sit there, right? And it's money sitting in the stock. So we want to sell more kits. How do we do that? We navigate the customer towards the kit that we want to sell right now. So for example, let's say we want to sell more stopper kits. We can discuss about the stopper kit advantages. We can showcase the kit. We can explain why this kit is better. And when a customer want to buy implants or when we offer a special offer for them, we make an offer with the stopper kit inside. So one thing I like to do, I like to offer 50 or 100 implants and end the stopper kit free of charge. Obviously, nothing is free in life, right? Nothing is free. They pay for that, but they still save money because the price list price for the stopper kit, for example, is $2,000. It's an amazing kit. 35 drills with stopper, torque wrench, driver, whatever. This kit is very expensive if you buy it separately. I mean, not very expensive, but it's more expensive than if you buy implants and get it for free. You can get a very special deal like that. So if we would like to sell stopper kits, then when a customer want to buy implants, I'm going to offer him a package based on that. I'm going to offer 50 implants, 50 abutments, whatever abutments he needs. I ask some questions, I understand his needs, and I add this kit inside the package. What I get for that? First, I get cash flow, right? I get more money right now to the company. It's very important. Second, I'm selling kits that are currently sitting in my office and I want to sell them. Okay, increasing again the cash flow of the company. I do that once in a while. I don't do that often because if you do a special offer all the time, then it's not very special, right? And the value you get from the deal is much lower than if you would do that once every few months, for example. So how do you do it right? Asking questions, understanding what he uses, and navigating them to the right product that they need and to the right product that you want to sell. If you have questions, if you have suggestions, please let me know. Drop a comment below and let's talk. See you guys for the next time.